Hey everyone, we have a set of JDM Integra headlights finished up today. This customer sent in his original headlights and got our 3-inch by LED projector conversion with refurbishment of the interior as well. So the internal bezels had some, chrome delamination and damage. So we actually repainted these like a satin black color. And then the lenses also got refinished, so these were sanded down and re-cleared. So really overall super clean look now, ready to install on his vehicle. And of course with the 3-inch by LED projectors, the performance of these headlights is significantly better than the factory halogen setup they were equipped with. Another thing to note is because these are JDM headlights, if you don't have a projector conversion, the beam pattern is going to be for a right-hand drive. So with our conversion, we also correct the beam pattern, obviously putting in the proper projectors for this retrofit. Ignore those Hilux ballast boxes underneath. We're just using those to prop up the lights. But the bi-LED projectors are 100% plug and play. There are no additional drivers or modules or ballasts or anything you have to run. Very simple to wire these up, and performance is great out of them. So if you have a JDM Integra, got some crusty, bad looking headlights, you can send them to us for a refurbishment and get our bi-LED conversion as well. Really clean OEM plus look when finished, and really just makes the front end look a lot better. Most of these headlights we get in are pretty yellowed and hazed out, so they all really just need refurbishment. If you have any further questions, you can reach us by phone or email. Check us out at VisionAutoworks.com. Our contact information is also on the page.